So the breaking news is out. Capco sending the virtual technical test entry level QA tester shortlisting mail is received. Many candidates receiving this mail. This is the shortlisting mail. But what is going on? The package is a 5 LP, which is very big or a decent package. As a fresher, you can easily take this package. But the thing is how to apply, because if you check 20th February, one day ago, they received the assessment mail. But in this video, first I want to tell you many more hirings. Then I will tell you how to apply. So watch video till end, otherwise you will never see this type of shortlisting mail or 5 LPA package. The first hiring I want to tell you, ENView, which is announced software engineering Java developer role is there. 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. Noida location, full-time opportunity. The thing is BE, BTech, ME, MTech is eligible only in computer science, IT, software engineering. The thing is core Java, collection, multi-threading. Spring Boot is compulsory, microservices, MongoDB, MySQL, and RESTful API, JSON, distributed system design, GitHub. These all domain is compulsory to put in resume because they are a shortlisting, but this will also give you the shortlisting mail just like a Capco. So what you have to do, put these responsibilities line in your project section and these in your technical skills. So the thing is, this is pure Java developer role. If you know Java and you are a Java developer, you can easily get the shortlisting mail. Put all these domain with the projects of Java, full stack Java project, you can put easily and get the shortlisting mail. So click on apply now. What you have to do, first update your resume, then apply it as soon as possible. CGI just announced a big mass hiring for absolutely 23, 24, 25 batch BSc, BCA and BTech only in computer science. Service desk associate fresher hiring is going on. Bangalore, Pune location is the work from office. Full-time hiring plus night shift will be there. The thing is, these are the basic domain which is written here. You have to put in resume. Fundamental operating system, network, MS Office, troubleshooting, configuration, or interpersonal skills, communication, English is compulsory. Immediate joiner is preferred. Training will be there. Health and many more is there. You can easily check. 60% criteria throughout academic is compulsory. Willingness to learn और ये सब तो इंटरपर्सनल स्किल ऐड कर देना. नो एक्टिव बैकलॉग इज देयर. इंसिडेंट मैनेजमेंट, हेल्प डेस्क, IT सर्विस. पुट ऑल these domain in resume with bullet points. And what you have to do, just fill this form because Bangalore location is there. Full-time hiring is going on. The thing is, this is mass hiring. This is not normal opportunity. You can easily apply. If you see the job summary, we are hiring energetic, customer focused fresh grads to join our service desk team. This involve providing L1 IT support to end users, troubleshooting technical issues and ensuring seamless IT operation across the organization. So these are the things you have to put in resume. But if you read only required fields, here will you not get to see more domains. But if you read this, then there is written email, chat, via ticketing. You have to support the customer. VPN, email, networking, application issue you have to solve. परफॉर्म पासवर्ड रीसेट, अकाउंट अनलॉक, विच इज़ वेरी बेसिक लेवल ऑफ वर्क. ठीक है, जो हम रोज करते हो कोई भी कर सकता है ये. सो प्लीज़ फिल दिस फॉर्म बिकॉज दिस इज़ वेरी बेसिक लेवल ऑफ वर्क और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. और इवन जॉब भी तुम्हारी बहुत ईजी है ये. ठीक है, L1 टेक्नीशियन की एक जॉब है. So please hit the apply button. Before that, you have to first update your resume. How to update I already told you, and please apply it as soon as possible. Next hiring coming from Noon, internship, analytics internship is going on. But the thing is, only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. So what you have to do, put all these domain which is written here, SQL queries, data, and generating insight to solve a problem, business problems. Just scroll down, give your personal details and click on yes because internship is starting on March. Work from office setup in Gurgaon. Click on yes, click on yes. Have you completed internship or live project? SQL is compulsory, that's why you have to put 8 or 9 and put SQL, analysis, Excel and Python you can also put because data analysis है. Then Python, Excel, PowerPoint and SQL queries, Tableau, Power BI. These are the domain you have to put and get the shortlisting mail. This is an internship, means all pursuing candidate is eligible. 27, 26, 25, 28. If you are pursuing, then you are eligible, good to go and apply it. But before that, you have to first update your resume. Otherwise, you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. First of all, give the accurate details and apply it as soon as possible. Plus, put interpersonal skills also in resume. Take interpersonal skills from here. So moving forward, shortlisting for the virtual test with Capco. The test will be initiated tonight and you must complete it before Sunday evening. There is within time period you have to complete. Okay, the role is based in Bangalore. It involves a 24/7 rotation shift. There is a 2-year bond, but it doesn't matter because the package is 5 LPA or 6 LPA. Okay, so kindly confirm once you have completed the test, and please prepare for the following topic: that Python, SQL, Unix, Linux, Shell scripting, RDBMS, Selenium. So you can easily put these domain in resume if you are going to apply now. क्या समझ आया? इधर पे प्रिपेयर करने बोला. इट मीन्स दीज आर द डोमेन वी विल गेट टू सी इन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और प्रोजेक्ट्स आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग द कंपनी. सो दिस इज द थिंग you have to keep in mind. Put all these domain and get the shortlisting mail. So please complete your test. If you received this means you already applied, and if you did not received this you have to wait if you applied, and if you did not receive this mail then the thing is 90% did not applied for this. So how to apply? I'm going to share you with the entry level job, which is only one left in the Capco. Only one entry level job is left for Bangalore location, and this is also for Bangalore location. The thing is they are also just यही डोमेन मांग रहा है, and you will get to see the shortlisting mail because the hiring is same. You have to click on the link in the description box. Entry level production support role is there. Now watch video till end and listen carefully what I'm telling you to get the shortlisting mail. Just scroll down, check out the Bangalore location is there. 3-day work from office. Timing shift will be this. You can easily select any time zone. The thing is what I told you, what is the required skill in this: SQL, Linux, Unix, RDBMS, Selenium. Then you can check SQL, Unix, Linux. Oops is compulsory. 5 LP is the package. The thing is 25, 24, 23, 22 batches eligible in this also, or in tester role also. This is the mass hiring. SQL, Linux, Unix, RDBMS, object oriented, all interpersonal skill you have to put in resume. BE, BTech, computer science, IT, software engineering is eligible. 25, 24, 23, 22 batches eligible. And I am not going to tell you again and again. एक डोमेन उठा के मेंशन करना है, यहाँ से और यहाँ से, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं करना है. वी आर लुकिंग टू हायर एप्लीकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म सपोर्ट इंडिविजुअल हु हेल्प क्लाइंट इन बैंकिंग एंड ट्रेडिंग एप्लीकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म. तो एक डोमेन मेंशन करने पर फिल दिस फॉर्म बिकॉज दे ओनली आस्किंग दिस अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे एंड यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस बिकॉज इफ यू सी दैट हाउ दीज डोमेन्स आर कंपल्सरी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ओप्स कॉन्सेप्ट को अलग से भी मांगा है कि है नॉलेज की नहीं है, इसका नॉलेज है कि नहीं है, SQL का है कि नहीं है. You are clicking on bond or not. If you are not clicking on yes, then you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. Click on any branch. Already batch देख लिया हमने कि 22 तक एलिजिबल है, 25 से 22. You have to click on yes also. In shift यहाँ पर भी yes करना है. You have to click on no in currently working and give your company name if you have. If you are a fresher, put any current location. Click on yes. Face to face final discussion. Preferred location Bangalore पे ही क्लिक करना है. CTC put NA. Annual CTC you have to click on yes. Immediate joining you have to click. Don't click on 0 to 15. If you are serving notice of what is your LWD last working day, you have to click on NA. If you are a fresher, click give male female whatever you want to give. So the thing is कि जितनी चीज़ें मैंने बताई है यस नो ये ही करना है, वरना शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल नहीं आएगा. तो ये करने के बाद ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस क्लिक ऑन फ्रेशर. ये करने के बाद अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे देना है एंड देन यू हैव टू फिल ऑल पर्सनल डिटेल्स. देन यू विल सी दिस मेल विच इज़ virtual test. After clearing this virtual test there is a face-to-face discussion in the Bangalore company location, and here you have to go there because the competition is very less and the package is 5 LPA. And the thing is this is fresher hiring, then they will only expect basic level of domain from you. So fill this form as soon as possible. People getting these mails consistently. What are you doing? Just fill this form, update your resume, what to put already told you. Apply for these all hirings. They all will give you the shortlisting mail or round 1 mail because these all are official hirings. ठीक है, so fill these forms as soon as possible. Like this video, go to the video section, check out this Wipro Deltax mail is out. 2 mega hiring already uploaded, 1 more hiring already uploaded. Blue Yonder, they are sending the mail. Blue Yonder also sending the mail of assessment. Go and apply for these hirings. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.